मुर्मू जी से इस सभा को संबोधित करने का अनुरोध करते हुए विशेष सम्मान प्राप्त करना चाहती हूँ।
Governor of Manipur, Sri Ajay Kumar Bhalaji, people's representatives and tribal leaders present here, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am happy to be amongst you at Senapati, the region known for its natural beauty, rich culture, and proud tribal heritage. Today, the nation commemorates the Nupilal Memorial Day. Nupilal is a prime example of the power of female voice in bringing about positive social change. Ladies and gentlemen, Manipur has a rich cultural diversity with large number of tribal communities. I am happy to note that this diversity is also evident in the Senapati district. I am told that this district is home to several tribes. I have attended a reception at Tafunaga village where I was accorded a warm welcome by the representatives of tribal communities of Senapati district. I also interacted with the internally displaced persons. The Moram tribe is recognized as a particularly vulnerable tribal group. It is the only PBTG in Manipur. The unique culture and traditions of Moram tribe contribute significantly to India's tribal diversity. Therefore, this tribal community deserves focused attention, affirmative support, and sustained development efforts. Under PM Janman mission, a series of initiatives have been launched. These are specifically designed in uplift PBTGs through improved access to healthcare, expansion of education, housing support, livelihood promotion, skill development, infrastructure creation in remote habitations. We have just witnessed the transformative work underway in this district under the PM Janman through a short film. I am confident that initiatives being undertaken under this mission will further improve the lives of tribal communities, especially the PBTGs. Ladies and gentlemen, dignity, security and growth opportunities for tribal communities of Manipur and ensuring their greater participation in the country's progress is a national priority. The Government of India is working closely with local leaders, civil society and communities to ensure that development in the Manipur is inclusive and sustainable. The Government of India is committed to ensure that development reaches every corner of the country. The government is giving special attention to the development of remote tribal regions. In recent years, the hill districts of Manipur have benefited from focused investments in areas such as road and bridge connectivity, including national highways and rural roads, healthcare, education, drinking water, and electricity supply. Livelihood programs such as skill training, SSGs, and Bandhan are improving the quality of life of people. These efforts are a reflection of the government's commitment to supporting tribal communities while respecting their unique identity and traditions. I am happy to have inaugurated various development projects. I am confident that these projects will contribute to strengthening education, security, healthcare, and community infrastructure of the area. I am also happy to have laid the foundation stones for institutional buildings. I hope that on completion, these initiatives will improve lives of thousands of families in the area and bring essential services closer to remote communities. Ladies and gentlemen, Manipur's strength lies in its diversity, its culture, languages, and traditions. The hills and the valley have always complemented each other. Like two sides of the same beautiful land, I urge all communities to continue supporting the efforts for peace, understanding, and reconciliation. The Government of India recognizes the aspirations of the people of Manipur. I understand with total empathy your concern and your desire for a peaceful and prosperous future. I reiterate the Government of India's commitment to the well-being and progress of the people of Manipur, including the people of the region. Let us continue working together for a peaceful and prosperous Manipur. I wish a very prosperous and bright future for the people of Manipur. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Manipur.